Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with bi-weekly contest 127 Q2. Minimum levels to gain more points. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. This one I also made a silly mistake on, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. The first thing to notice is that n is equal to 10 to the 5th, and that means that you cannot do an n square algorithm because it's just too slow on Leetcode. So the idea here is that it is just like a partitioning of the score, right? There's this idea of this 0 and 1, but the zeros are all negative ones, right? So basically, first I would do, and I didn't do it in code, but in terms of visualization, I would convert this to 1 and negative 1, and basically the first half, or for some partition, it belongs to, I think Daniel Chen G or whatever. And Bob is the second half, right? But keeping in mind that once you notice that, then the total number of points from 1 and negative 1 is the total number of points is the same, right? Like you cannot have more points or low points. So then you just basically count how many points Daniel has as a prefix, and Bob will have the total number of points minus that as the suffix, right? So that's basically the idea. Yeah, and I kind of did it with prefix sum. You don't even need to do it this way, to be honest. But maybe I'll rewrite it now, right? So basically, we have then is equal to, say, 0, right? And then now, if the reason why this is a little bit awkward, sorry, I had to pause, but basically, then is always going to start with, I have to rewrite this loop a little bit. Maybe that's a little bit confusing, right? But yeah, but basically, if possible of 0 is equal to, actually, I could rewrite, as I was saying, we'll just convert everything, right? So for I, right? If possible sub I is equal to 0, then we just convert it to negative 1, right? And then total is just going to be the sum of all possible, right? That's the total score points you have. Daniel starts at 0 points, but everyone has to play at least one game, so you would just say possible of 0, right? And then now we can start at game 1, maybe to n, n minus 1, right? And then basically we just do then we add it to possible sub I, and now we check the Dan score versus, and then the Bob score is just total minus Dan, and that's pretty much it. In this case it's I think, actually. I think right. Well, luckily I got it correctly during the contest. Maybe I messed something up. Well, yeah. I mean, I did mess it up during the contest anyway, but what is going on? And let's check it out. And remember that has to be strictly less greater than, but yeah. Total is 0. Okay. Then score is 0 after. Oh, because I don't. I see. I don't check Okay, fine. So I guess we have to do it this way. Basically, the reason is because I forgot. I don't check this for the first item, so that should fix at least this answer. Well, that's the index, so we have to do a +1 for the number of levels. So okay, so I do need the I +1. Yeah, that's the index of the game, and then now we could hit submit, and hopefully it works. Yeah. But that's basically it. You just convert the zeros to negative ones. You get the total score of the possible game. The first half is that Dan is going to play 1 game, 2 games, 3 games, ... The key thing to make it fast is just this thing where total minus whatever Dan has is the score of Bob, I think. So then if this is strictly greater than, you can return the number of levels played and then -1 otherwise. This is O of n time, O of n space. This is O of n time, O of n time. I say O of n space because we technically manipulate the input. You can make another copy of the array and then manipulate it. You shouldn't manipulate the input, so that's why this is O of n space as I say it. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I think this video, so the live portion is next. It jumps around a little bit because the server is having a lot of issues. So I was jumping around this farm and Q3 actually before submitting it. That's why the time is like really, like I actually solved this much quicker if you watch it. Even though I did have a silly mistake because I just forgot about. So I had a silly mistake because I had this go to n instead of n-1. Which is the edge case of Bob not playing any games, and that's no bueno. So yeah. But yeah. The live portion should be next. So yeah, it jumps around, server issues, my apologies, but hopefully it is okay enough to watch. You can also, I have the entire contest video out. So if you want to watch me do the entire contest together, then watch that video. Maybe it's more helpful to watch as a companion. But yeah, thanks for watching, and you can watch me solve it live kind of next. Well, I just kind of forgot about it, to be honest. Yeah, because I was worried about Q3 and I kind of got confused. Okay, let's focus. Server is just slow today. Oh, prefix suffix, is this right? Not awake for this. Oh, there it goes. What's -1? Oh, minimum number of. This binary search. I had a prefix of binary search. Oh, that's not true. It's not binary search. Why am I so slow today? at least one game. True. -1. The server's still a little bit slow. I'm just being dumb today. I think this is off by 1, I'm worried. Servers are so slow. I'm wasting too much time here, am I? Is it my connection or? I don't think I'm doing that poorly, to be honest. This one's wrong. Okay, I have to go back to look for it. Oh, this is the picture. Okay. Oh, it's just chaos because I wanted to test this actually, but then I just forgot. Silly mistakes, but the contest is just a mess. Everything is pending. Everything is chaos. And I have off by 1s all up the wazoo. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Hope you have a great weekend and holiday. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, and all the service issues and all these things that you may run into. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.